This is part one of how to create a PowerPoint presentation. The first thing you're going to do is open up the PowerPoint. Once you've opened it up, you should see a screen like this. This is just a blank template of the PowerPoint. Up here, I'm using right now Office Suite 2010. Up here, you have the Home button where you can add a new slide. If I click on Add a New Slide, it will show me what type of slide I can add. If I want to add a slide, a title slide, it'll look something like this. If I want to add a slide with title and content, it would look like something like this. So this is where you add a new slide. This is the slide layout, which is the same as adding the new slide. So it shows what the slide looks like. Right here, these are the different fonts that you can use in using your PowerPoint presentation. If I were to click right here and start typing, the font would highlight and I will start typing. Right here you have a list of all of the fonts that were installed in the PowerPoint presentation software. So we have them right here. You can also change the size of your font. You can highlight it by putting the cursor in front of it and highlighting the whole word and selecting the size that you would like. And I believe it goes all the way up to 96. This right here allows you to increase or decrease without using that. So if I were to choose this, I could decrease my font, or I can increase. This would let me bold my words, italicize my words, underline them, or put a shadow. So I underline with a small shadow. This aligns my words, but I have to highlight it so that I can see that I want to line through it, but I do not. So this is the fonts area. This shows what kind of direction you want your text to be in. Right here we have center justified, where it be in the center. You can have it to the right, to the left, one column if you want one column, two columns, three columns, like if you're writing a newspaper. But I'm going to have it center justified. Over here, the tab up here, Insert, which allows you to insert different things. And right here we have Design. So first thing we want to do is change the design of our PowerPoint presentation. And they have a list of selections, themes right here. And also you can choose the color theme that you want over here. And I'm going to choose the Austin theme. And it's going to be those colors. Alright? So now all my slides look like this. This right here is my title slide, so it looks different. And this is the end of the introduction to the basics of how to use PowerPoint presentation. Please stay tuned for the next part.